Hello busy professionals and entrepreneurs, my name is Alisa Ploko. I'm a personal branding strategist on LinkedIn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your existing or a new video on YouTube. Once you are on your YouTube channel, click on videos and then choose from the right side menu, Manage Videos. Click on it. Then you'll see all of your videos on your channel. Choose the one that you want to edit or to add the music on. So let's choose any of these. For example, let's choose this one. Here, what we want to do is to click on the pen icon. Click on it and then your video will open up where you will be able to make some changes. For example, I just added this one a few minutes ago and I can see I didn't add tags on it. I'll do that now. Alright, so I just added the tags. Now let's get back to the left hand side menu. Click here on editor, and since you are already in your video and you clicked on the editor, then you'll be able to make some changes to your video. Here you can see this audio sign. If you click on the plus sign, you'll be able to choose and add some music to your video. So if you click on the plus sign and you scroll a bit up, here you have a search filter where you can choose from the audio library. You can choose by, let's say, genre, mood, artist, duration, let's say duration. And then you can say longer than, let's say, 15 minutes, apply. And you can choose by some other criteria as well. Or you can simply click on audio library. And then you can choose from the tracks here. You can choose from the sound effects as well. Let's say you can choose by the instrument, guitar, C. Or let's say music. Okay. So anyways, you choose the one that you'd like to add to your video, and let's say here you can play for it. You can play it, and basically that's it. You see, if you, for example, once you choose the type of music that you would like to add to your video, you'll see here, once you hover over it, an option to add music. So you just click add and it will be added to your video. That's it from me for now. Stay healthy and stay safe, dear people.